In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Exness password step by step. If you're locked out or just want to update your credentials, this walkthrough will guide you through the process clearly and safely. First, open your browser and head to the Exness website. From the home page, click on Sign In to reach the login screen. You'll see the regular fields for your email and password, but right beneath them, there's a link that says, I forgot my password. Go ahead and click that. This is the official, secure route to start your reset and ensures you're using Exness's own tools. Next, you'll be asked for the email address you used when you registered your Exness account. Type that in carefully and select Continue. Make sure it's the exact email tied to your account. A quick tip here, double check for extra spaces or typos. And if you use multiple inboxes, confirm you're entering the correct one. Now you'll complete a security check. This step protects your account and can take a few forms. You might receive a one-time code in your email inbox. If so, open the message promptly and enter the code exactly as shown. You could also be asked to confirm through your authentication app, such as an authenticator on your phone, or receive a code by SMS. Keep your device nearby and remember these codes expire, so act quickly. You may also need to complete a simple CAPTCHA to prove you're a real person. If you don't see the email, refresh your inbox, check your spam or junk folder, and make sure your mailbox isn't full. Once you pass the verification, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose one that meets Exness's requirements, typically a strong mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing old passwords or anything easy to guess. A memorable phrase combined with unique characters often works well. Confirm the new password by typing it again and submit. After that, you're ready to log in. Return to the sign-in page, enter your registered email, and use your new password to access your personal area. If everything was entered correctly, you should land in your account dashboard. If you see any error, carefully retype your new password and ensure your keyboard's caps lock isn't on. That's it. Your Exness password is reset and your access is restored. Keep your credentials private, store them securely, and consider using a trusted password manager so future updates are quick and safe. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into your account with confidence.